Hi, I'm Lachlan from Back to Form Osteopathy. Today I'm going to show you an exercise you can do with the foam roller, and that can help to loosen off through your thoracic spine, so your middle and upper back, and that can help with pain in those areas. So to use a foam roller to help mobilize through your thoracic spine and to loosen the muscles around it, very simple. Just start with the foam roller on the ground, and then you're going to lie down onto the foam roller, bring your arms up onto your chest, is pretty easy, and then just lift up and roll along the length of your spine, and then back. And you can do that a few times. Now, it's probably a good idea to try and keep your neck and head relatively neutral and supported. Don't just let it flop back over, but try to keep that supported, and that'll help to loosen through your upper back and help with thoracic spine pain.